Hi, everybody, and welcome to Homeroom. My name is Mrs. Bird, and I will be working with you in advisory this year. Please be sure to check out the course materials section of your advisory course, the ORN 400. It has all of my contact information as well as the syllabus. This course is designed to help you navigate the online school. You will need to complete all of the units. We will work through most of those together this first week of school. I will work with you throughout the year on your graduation requirements. I will help you keep track of your grades, credits, and progress towards graduation. I'll be your first line of communication here at Insight, so if you have any questions or concerns, even if it's not directly related to our advisory course, you can please throw them all at me, and if I don't know the answer, I will certainly try to find somebody who does. Both new and returning students will have to go through this ORN 400 Unit 1, which is essentially an orientation. You are required to watch the videos and complete all the quizzes. They'll help you understand how the online school works and what's expected of you here at Insight. What to expect this first week of school? We will meet in Class Connect, me and you and your classmates, for 1 hour per day this week, Tuesday through Friday, for just to touch base and do those Unit 1 lessons together. You are required to attend those sessions each day. If there is any issue with that, please let me know as soon as possible. I look forward to meeting with you. Please check all of the announcements and the teacher contact information for my phone number and email address, and feel free to contact me anytime.